And if this breaks right now, we are flying.
I want you to pay attention to trend lines.
No, is Ethereum is outperforming BTC. At first, all of the money flows into Bitcoin, right? This is phase one. Mamba's day result. He has not lost a single day since I've entered this group. We are now into week 3. So boys, yo, if you man want to join Mamba's live trading room like I have, the first link will be in the description of every single. Come on, boys. Mamba's just joined the building, boys. Today is going to be another good day. I can feel it. Boys, at the end of the day, whether you win, whether you lose, whether you fuck up, you just keep on going and just literally go head first with this shit. You see me, boys. You've seen me lose. You've seen how frustrated I've got. But it don't matter. I still show up every single day, and I will continue to do so. So, boys, if you want to already, sub the fuck up. You've got goals. You've got ambitions. Do not fall short. Do not give up on that shit. Because I won't. And I want to show you, man, that I won't. And if I am going to have to lead and show you boys that I'm going to do so, best believe I'm here every single day. Mark my words. But love, boys. I'm really enjoying this so far. Sub up. Let's hit 2,000 before the end of July. Love. Yo, boys, if you want a live trade with Mamba every morning.
Yo, what's up, everybody?
Link in the description. First thing. My guys won every single day I've been in this group for the past 2 weeks. We're now on the third week.
Chilling. Let's get it.
Let's go. I have already marked out my drawings.
We're looking at a couple zones. Obviously, we have our resistance and supports. I want to see how price starts to move today. We're going to have a lot of volume or not. First price is going to be a little stagnant. We'll see.
Yeah,
US 30. We've been having a lot of weird trend lines.
Just real quick, boys, I want you to pay attention. Just whilst he's mentioned trend lines, throughout this video and during this trade that comes later on in the video, you only took one trade today, by the way. I want you to pay attention to trend lines and the input and the analysis I do mention on it. I have mentioned it in 1 or 2 videos prior, but it's definitely something that's not spoken enough about. But yeah, do pay attention to the trend lines.
Yeah, US 30 pushed up last night, or yesterday after we got off, and then took off. NASDAQ ended up being great. I mean, 1 to 4.23. Beautiful trade. What a way to start the week.
Yeah, yesterday, boys, NASDAQ was pretty, was fire. As you might have seen from yesterday's video, I did get in the trade. I exited. And as soon as Mamba left the stream, I was like, nah, I need to have a fucking trade today. So I did something. I took a trade by myself, ended up smashing it, and we came out strong. But today's another day. Go again. Every single one of you, man, be consistent. Make sure you're tracking your shit. The thing that's really been helping me at the minute is just tracking all the trades so far, tracking everything, tracking all my journey, and you know, writing notes every single day for the trades. By the way, guys, if you want to see my P&L sheet, it is in the link of every description of every video, so you guys can see the record of how many I've won, how many I've lost, everything. But I am currently tracking Mamba's trades at the minute, seeing whether he wins or loses. As you can see so far, Mamba's day result, he has not lost a single day since I've entered this group. We are now into week 3, so we are here. But he's not lost a single day at all, which is pretty cool. And I've tracked it, added every video attached, screenshot the trades. I do need to fill in a little bit. But yeah, boys, it's going good. So if you guys want this tracking sheet, this is in my description.
So what is US 30, or what is crypto, Bitcoin at? 120,000, wow. I've been out of the crypto space for a second. That's insane. Just have a big day. Yesterday was nice, but I want to have a good week. Not just a single day. Let's go.
Market's now open, boys. Let's go.
NASDAQ's at a weird resistance spot here. Pushing down a little bit. US 30. Chilling. 5 minute. Looks good. 15. Let's see, we're going to break past the support resistance zone. I'm not sure. Could be an okay buying spot for our first position. Again, remember, guys, we don't risk the whole bank account on each trade. Ever. Just don't. If we do end up entering the trade, just relax. US 30 could flip back to the upside. I mean, NASDAQ could flip back to the upside as well. You never know. like to mark it up just to have. Keeping my notes. We'll have the support here. It's not a bad sell position either, though, for NASDAQ. I'm going to sell NASDAQ here.
Boys, I'll wait till it breaks this support here, me.
There we go. Target 1 for NASDAQ.
If it breaks this support,
I'm going to start taking a little bit of profit off the top here.
Right, NASDAQ, I'm in.
Take some profit off the top. There you go. Now at least close half here. Let the rest run. That's how you fucking do it. Every day of the week, any day of the week. We're at this next zone. Price to push past this. Price to push past this. Come on. We got it.
Boys.
You got it, NASDAQ.
So, boys,
you got
my
it.
entry is a lot lower. A lot lower than Mamba's.
There it is. Target 2. What a fucking trade. What a morning. What a morning.
Nice. He's bouncing off of a
Target 2. Take some profit there, man. Take a lot of your profit there on that push.
So, boys,
I'm not sure how much more this wants to push. Let's make some money today. Let's go, guys. Come on.
So, boys, what I'm seeing right now, I entered here, obviously way later than Mamba. I waited for this support to break, but I've also drawn out here. This is something that Mamba didn't draw out. There's a trend that's going on a higher time frame that's going across here, and it is resisting it quite strongly, as you can see. So yeah, I have definitely exited that trade a lot later than Mamba there, but we'll see. It was just so early the way he took that, but now looking at it now, definitely should have entered when he did enter, to be honest with you. I should have just taken it off that break. That is very valid, to be fair. What is US 30 also doing?
That was nice.
US 30 is on
That
infinite
was
buy.
nice. You can still push here, too. For sure, for sure. Did not end up taking US 30, like I said.
Would like
Could
for
still
this
very
to
well
push down.
way up here, though. For sure can push. I just don't want to get greedy. I'm fine here. NASDAQ just made me some bread. I'm fine letting this run. There's no reason to get greedy and take a bunch of trades. But US 30 for sure can run to the upside.
So this is the thing that I'm struggling with the most, more than anything. When these two start doing opposites and start, going the opposite directions, this is the thing I've really been struggling with lately. But since I am trading with Mamba at the moment, he obviously looks at both pairs. Now, I'm struggling a little bit with looking at both pairs, like looking at US 30 and NASDAQ. I think what I wanted to do when I stopped trading with Mamba is just look at one pair and one pair only. And I see a lot of people in the comments even talk about this as well. Beautiful closure there. That's what I wanted. Below that support there. So, boys, if we're just looking at my screen real quick, I'm currently in this trade, as you man can see. Mamba entered way up here. Mine's struggling to get below here, which is what I want. It is what I want. At the same time, US 30. But at the same time, US 30 is flying up. It's throwing me off. I'm really trying to ignore it. I don't really want to be sitting in a trade like this right now, to be honest with you. But I'm trying to keep calm. So that's all I can do. Try and keep calm right now whilst this is going down, whilst US 30 is going up. See, that's not what I like, boys. It's not what I like. US 30 is flying up. NASDAQ's coming down, but it's not really, is it? Because I'm about to get stopped out.
Just passed my 50K challenge. Let's go.
Chill, just chill. Don't worry about it. It's that splat. Don't worry about it.
I'm trying to read that. I woke up 2 minutes before market. Take your call out and Q made $600. Easy day. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Boys, if this can just come down.
You guys are great.
If it can come down, break this trend that I drew out. Mamba didn't draw this trend out, but I noticed this trend from previous days was following. It can come down, break this support, which it's currently doing.
Literally.
Now this support here. Now this support here, if it can come down and break this, we are golden. That's what I want to see. But I just need it to break here. I need it to break here. It's just what I need it to do. If it rejects off of this now, not a good time, but Not good. But hopefully it does. US30 is still pushing upwards.
Target 2, by the way, on US30, casually.
Right, a bit.
It's a casual push. I told you guys I had more juice in it.
There we go.
NASDAQ's pushing down towards the target 3. This is one of those days, one of those weeks. I'm telling you, if you have not been inside of this room with us, you have been missing the fuck out. Literally. We're pushing to a target 3 on US30. Like I said, it's too simple.
Keep on pushing.
Easy choice.
Come on, boys. Keep on pushing. This is what I'm talking about. That's it. Break this apart. I'm waiting for it to just break this apart.
That's what we do, literally. Every single week. Every single week. You could have a losing day. It's normal. We don't just like a losing week though. It doesn't really exist. It's very rare. It's like maybe once every 6 months. Just pay attention, trade right, don't over risk, and you'll be successful every single week. You will grow your account every single week. You'll pass funded accounts every single week. Literally.
Oh, just break. I need it.
So like I was saying earlier, boys, previously in the video, trend lines, we all go on about support and resistance as well, but trend lines, like, especially when it's in a channel, not more so when it's just on a singular trend or whether it's like above or below, but when it's on these actual channels and they go back like quite a way, they're very strong. And as you can see here, it was just resisting here for so long. And this is why I started to debate whether or not to put my stops to break even, just because it was resisting it so strong. But yeah, just something I've noticed, and from like reviewing and watching back all my trades and all my videos and every single day uploading, that's just something I've noticed quite a lot. So I thought I'd mention that to you, man, and maybe that can be something you can be aware of as well when you're trading. But yeah, boys, nice one.
I'm potentially going to put my stops to break even at this point.
Just doesn't get any easier, man.
Come on.
Doesn't it?
Break. That's it. Come on.
Let's go, man. 2100.
Break this apart. That's what I'm talking about. Boom.
I've passed 3 funded accounts. Let's go. NASDAQ. Oh my gosh, NASDAQ is dropping right now.
Come
Let's
on.
go. US30. Still
Boom.
pushing.
Right, my
NASDAQ
stops.
Dropping like crazy.
All right, boys, my stops are at break even now at this point. Yes, boys, that's what we're talking about. Come on. That's what we want. We're about to exit at 1-to-1, half of the position. It's nearly there. Nearly there. All right, boys, I've closed 50% of my position just there at 1-to-1. So now I'm going to let the rush run a little bit. So I'd rather have some profit than no profit, you get me? But now all I'm going to do is start to trail my stops. If we do get stopped out, we get stopped out. But at least we took some profit today rather than zero. Come on. Ah, come on.
Target 3 on NASDAQ. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Come on.
I'm out on all trades, man. This thing's about to hit target 3 as well, but NASDAQ already hit its target 3. Beautiful day. I appreciate you guys for coming on here and just making some money, man. That's all it is. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll make a bunch more money, and we'll keep doing this every single week until we're all fucking billionaires. See you later.
Boom. Right, that's Mamba gone. Now all I'm doing, boys, like I say, I'm enjoying today, man. I'm enjoying because I've started to learn from these lives, and I have been learning. Like, I am able to start trading on my own a little bit and actually use my own brain rather than just be a signal bot and just follow Mamba, which I'm really enjoying at the minute. Honestly, I'm like loving trading at the minute. Like, it's so fun to me. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this run now and start to trail stops like I did in yesterday's trade. And yeah, hopefully today is another beautiful day. It is pushing now, which is what I like. But yeah, I am very aware of this as well. So another thing, this is somewhere I'm obviously going to pay a lot of attention to. This is a very strong resistance area, as well as here, to be honest with you. But I'm going to start trailing stops in a moment. How do I do that? I can't remember, but I'll work it out in just a minute. As soon as it starts to hit a target 2, I am going to trail it back. But yeah, this is lovely stuff. This candle's about to close. So you see here, this trend line also that I drew out, this diagonal one. Now just seeing if it can break past this. which it's literally doing right now. Now, eventually as well, we are paying attention to here, which I drew out. As you can see here, a lot of friction here in these areas, boys. So I'm very big on going back to previous days. Boom, that's what we want. That is exactly what we want. And there we go. It's absolutely falling, broken all my trend lines. So now all I'm going to do is start to trail. I don't know how to trail. How do I trail the stops, boys? So, no, I want to trail. How do I stop? How do I do the stop loss? How do I do a stop loss, boys? How do I trail? I literally did it yesterday. Fuck's sake. Lovely jubbly, boys. I have learned. I have been learning. When I tell you, man, I've been studying these trades, studying this strategy back to back, watching all Mamba's videos and recordings every single day, like every minute of the day. But I edit these videos, I record these videos, and if this breaks right now, we are flying. Yeah, boys, that's what I'm talking about. Where's my other areas as a resistance? You know what, boys? Boom. Done. No. Come on now, boy. That's what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about, bruv. I don't even care where this shit goes now. I'm in, I'm out, I'm done. Boys, we just hit a target 3, you know. Lovely, lovely stuff. Right, boys, let's do a quick little recap whilst we're here as well. So, as you know, I basically took that trade on my own, using a little bit of Mamba's bias, but I basically took that alone. Because if we go back, Mamba took the trade, if we go back, and I'll tell you why I took where I took it. So Mamba took the trade based off of this break here. You see this white line, which is now yellow. So Mamba took the trade off of this break. So he was more so up here, right? He took the trade off here, right? Again, like I said, I want to be able to trade by myself. So the thing I was more confident in was taking the trade off of this break here, where you can see I've obviously drawn out. So I'll move the yellow down here. So I took the trade off of this break and I entered here. Now what I was looking for is a break of, it's a little bit messy, so let me just move this shit out a second. So what I was looking for was a break of this line and this support. Then what I also was paying attention to was the trend line and the channel that it was in. I mentioned this in a video literally the other day. Break of channels is another thing I've noticed. Like breaking a channel, you also really want to pay attention to whether your support and resistance is within a channel, because that can also affect, is something I've noticed. But then I was also then paying attention to this support line here. It then broke that, which gave me confidence staying. And then the final one was the bottom channel line here. Boom. As soon as it broke this, you saw that there was movement. Then I go down to the previous days and I see, look, where's the areas of friction? Where's previous days of support and shit like that? As you can see, I drew them out. As well, I drew this out. I told you guys, as soon as we break here, boom, it's going to fly. What's it done? It's absolutely flown. So if I put this back on now, so now when I put this back on, I exited at a target 3. It's now down to a target 4. Absolutely flown. What I wish I could have done in that trade is trail my stops. Working this shit out, I don't know what it is, but trailing stops in this for some reason, I need to just go watch some YouTube content on exactly how to use my broker data, to be honest with you. But boys, this is, oh my God, that is a beautiful trade. Beautiful, look at that. Closed positions today. So we closed that half and then I let that half run. And then we ended up closing out again, 1,405. Brilliant. That's what we want. So the past 2 days have been lovely. So then, boys, for those that don't know or haven't been keeping up with the challenge, I've been tracking every single day whether Mamba wins or not. As you can see here, I've been tracking my day result, Mamba's, and amount of trades Mamba's taken, seeing if I correlate. And as you can see, Mamba has won every single day. I have won both days. He's won this week as well. I feel like I'm definitely learning a lot. And yeah, yesterday he took an L. I didn't take the trade that he took personally, but then he took a W on the back end. But then it ended up being a bigger win than the loss, which is key, which is something I've learned. But yeah, boys, today, so yesterday was a W on US 30. But today, boys, NASDAQ, we took the sell. I risked $1,000. I had a stop loss of 30 pips. My lot size was 0.3 on Trade Locker. Took a W, one trade. We generated $1,455. Today was a winning day. Another W for Mamba and one trade taken by Mamba. Now what I'll do is I'll screenshot. I'll add this to the P&L so you boys can go take a look at the screenshots in the P&L. I will update this every single day. But boys, yo, if you man want to join Mamba's live trading room like I have, the first link will be in the description of every single video. But boys, that was a beautiful trade today. And yeah, real quick, speaking of crypto, boys, you man already know that like I've already put out there my portfolio in crypto, and a few of you have actually wanted me to speak about it, so I'll touch on it real quick and I'll tell you a little bit of what I'm paying attention to right now in crypto. So right now, the big thing you want to pay attention to and know is Ethereum is outperforming BTC. So the cycles of crypto work like this. So boys, I'll just touch on this very briefly, and if you're interested, I'll do more content on it. But look, this is how crypto works for those that don't know and want to know. At first, all the money flows into Bitcoin, right? This is phase one. And then eventually, whilst that you see the profits come into Bitcoin and Bitcoin starts rising, money starts to flow into Ethereum, right? And eventually Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin, but eventually starts to outperform, which is happening right now. So money is now flowing into Ethereum, as you can see, right? So look, Bitcoin's up 0.07% for the week, right? But look at Ethereum. Ethereum's up nearly 20% for the past 7 days, which is crazy. But why is this a good thing? Why is this good? I'll tell you why this is good, because this chart right here, this shows Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is currently 61%, but as you can see, as of recent in the past few days, it's falling drastically. Now, what's happening on the other side? Ethereum is flying, right? Ethereum's flying, but what happens when Ethereum flies? I'll tell you. So this right here, this is a chart called Total Free. This is all the cryptocurrencies combined, excluding Bitcoin. So whilst Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and whilst Bitcoin's just like consolidating, all of your altcoins, meaning everything other than Bitcoin, is flying. You see all my AI projects, Solana's flying, Pal AI's flying, XRP's flying, ADA's flying. All these projects that are opposite to BTC are absolutely flying. And this is when, you know, good money's made in crypto. Because as you can see here, all the money is going into Total Free, meaning your altcoins, meaning everything but Bitcoin. And as well, Tether is falling, meaning the dominance of Tether. When the dominance of Tether is falling, this shows that people are taking the money out of Tether and putting it into the market, which means there's a lot of people buying right now and beginning to buy, so it's falling, as you can see, just like so. But when Tether's going up, that means people are selling and putting the money into cash and just holding. So that's another thing to look out for. But boys, if you do want to have more content on this, just let me know. Just let me know. As well, I'm potentially going to start trading London session by myself. So if you want content on that, that'll be something I'll start doing. Trading UK 100, DAX. For those that don't know and want to know, this is my crypto portfolio. And as you can see, for the week, I've had coins flying. For the month, some of these coins are doing 100%. But yeah, this is something I'll be keeping my eye on. And if you guys want more content on a little bit of crypto, honestly, I've loved crypto. Crypto is what made me get into trading in the first place. I've just been obsessed with reading charts since a young age. But boys, just back to the challenge. So now, boys, for the first time during this challenge, we are finally, and I mean finally when I say it, in the green. We're currently at 1.83, so we're up 2% almost in the past 2 days. Boys, I genuinely feel like I've been learning. Doing this whole YouTube thing, I genuinely feel like I've been learning and managing to really understand and be a little bit more calmer and controlled in these trades. I'll be honest with you, boys, I don't want to be like a little nerd doing these videos and just sat here quite, selling, like some fucking dipshits do. I have got to entertain at the same time, and I know you man love it, but boys, we're on the green now, so hopefully we keep it that way. Hopefully we have a continuation of a solid week. We are winning. Yeah, we've been winning, boys. I mean, I won Friday as well, so essentially me myself, I'm on a 3-day win streak. Mamba's on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10-day fucking win streak at the minute. Boys, if you want to join Mamba's live trading, like I say, link in the description, first link of every single video. Boys, get in there. I genuinely have been learning so much in the group. It's really, really helping. Also, boys, appreciate all the comments. Honestly, boys, the engagement's unreal. Like, some of you guys are genuinely motivating me and really, honestly, just helping me a lot, to be honest with you. Big up Connor. This is someone who I watched to learn how to do breakout strategies, so shout out to Connor as well. He's now following along on the journey as well, which is mad. Literally watching this guy whilst I was on holiday only a few months ago before I started YouTube. So boys, big up every single one of you. Another day, another dollar. And best believe I will be here again tomorrow in trading and keeping consistent. And I want every single one of you, man, to win. If you blew your account today, if you messed up today, if you lost today, I do not care. It does not matter. Boys, I'll see you tomorrow. Another day, another dollar.